What else do we have in such a jig? Normally, we have also locators of holes, of different types. Here in the jig, you might see locators of GBH. You not see a hole. Here is, you see, thick pin. Let me to show it more closely. You see very thick pin, and this thick pin actually is a pin for locating the part bracket with big hole. On this side, on that side, they are both locators, and these locators are movable. You may remove the pin, move locator inside in order to adjust here the part with holes, and to put it in, to put it on. No? And next, how to understand where locator supposed to be. Easy peasy. No? We have here a hole, and if locator in correct position, this hole both it's penetrating, like passing through the housing part and the pin. And if locator in correct position, it means that hole in housing part and the pin itself, they are aligned, you see. No, it's not the matter of our today laboratory work. Just do remember, please, that we have locators of contours. Here they are represented with red color. Actually, they supposed to be either of silver color, as you might see here, of green color, as you might see there in another jig. Normally done, but not of red one. And locators of holes. Locators of holes, GBH holes, as you see here, there, and locators of base hole or coordinate fixing hole. No, in this jig exactly they are not represented. So once again, which holes we are interested in when we are locating these contour locators, as they are called. We're interested in the holes which are actually auxiliary holes. They are not important, really. In the jig, they are not important. They are using only for joining locators immediately to the frame of jig. Why we are interested in them right now? Because we are going to substitute measuring base. I hope you do remember that measuring base of any aircraft, measuring bases are so-called main building or main constructive planes. Plane of symmetry, constructing plane of the wing, constructing plane of stabilizer. We're measuring all the sizes from, we are counting all the sizes from these planes in drawings. And this axis, it exists really only in drawing. We can't attach this contour locator to the empty place. We can't find position of this contour with respect to the empty place, and we can't imitate it somehow. So we substituting the base. Instead of this non-existing plane, we are going to use holes, plane with holes. All these holes, they are aligned onto one line, typically along one line, and they are all on the same axis, and they are all coordinated to this not existing plane. How they are coordinated? In a drawing, of course. In a drawing, it's given the size, and first you need to reproduce this size in contour locator. We are going to produce locator which accurately reproduce sizes of contour with respect to this not existing plane, and sizes of hole, actually position of hole, with respect to this not existing plane. On one hand, we are manufacturing locator itself with its contour and holes. On other hand, we need to produce these beams. To find position of such four connectors, correct position, they are holes actually, these mounting holes they are called. We need to find their correct position on beam now, in order next, when we are just hanging locators by these holes onto the beam, All these locators, system of locators, give you the whole surface of aircraft that you need. It's so-called measuring approach or instrumental approach because we use special tooling, instrumental.